Oh, yeah, I've been working on this a little bit off camera, as you can tell. Got my seat mounted up on here. Spun the bike around the other direction. Took the big ugly ass ape hangers off. So I got a set of clubman bars mounted on there upside down. My drag bars are way too low, so couldn't use them. This is a very long bike, so it's hard to get where you can reach the handlebars. And still have your feet on the foot bar is another problem. So these are clubman bars. So they're like a clip-on bar, but they're higher up, basically. Normally they would be way down low down here, but in this case they're up high. The angles are still good. So it's a lot lower than that stupid ape hanger was, that's for damn sure. And they fit pretty good. So I gotta figure out how to do all the wiring down here yet. Broke one pin getting apart. So right now I'm gonna put the controls up on here and try to figure out where I'm gonna do the wiring. I'm not sure if you need to run internal wire or external, but as far as I can tell, it's probably internal. But I don't know yet. Next problem, these cables are really long. So I gotta figure out how I'm gonna make these work. Because I don't want to take the bike apart at all. I'm thinking this is just gonna go on the other side of the bike. Probably the best way of doing it. Okay. Doesn't need to be on this side of the bike, it can be on the other side. Yeah, that's how you do that. We'll have to run the headlight twice and come back. Get in my other bikes. Perfect. That should work. Keep the inspectors happy. That's very important. If they're not happy, you are not going to be happy. That's a fact. I'm going to clamp down on here. Well, aren't these 1-inch bars? I thought these were 1-inch bars. Pissed me off if they're not 1 inch. They're 1 inch. Just the stupid controls don't fit. garbage. Got to work on this a little bit. Definitely got a stiff clutch. See, I'm alright with that. I'm not alright with how that works. Let's put switch housings on there. Alright. That was the easy side. I gotta deal with the brake. Yeah. There. That's perfect. That'll work for me. Yep, that works perfect for me. Let's see, well, missing bolt. Thought I had both with me. What do I do with the other bolt? Gone. Got both bolts with me. That's what happens, it gets too tiring. Well, it's missing. I know I had 2 bolts with me when I started. Alright. Yeah. You need 1 bolt, right? What do you need 2 bolts for? At least that one tightened down. Alright. I don't know what happened to it. It's around someplace. Sure, it's very important where it's at. Alright, so the cables don't look too awful bad. They're a foot too damn long, but yeah, just wrap it around the front. Perfect. So clutch cables right on the outside here, rub them back and forth. It's not going to be a problem there. It's not a problem at full lock. It's got a nice long loop, so it'll work freely. It's a little bit tight through here, but it's way all away from the exhaust pipe, which is very important. It's hidden behind the fork tube for aerodynamics, which is always nice. Of course, it's up in the air up there, which is not good for aerodynamics, which is not nice. It is what it is. This is where we bent the front fender, banging in the motor over there. It popped in gear. It went boom. I do not see bolt anywhere. Oh well, we'll have to come up with another screw somewhere. So that's what it looks like there on the bike. There you go. Big boy bike. Something wrong with these screws on this one. Oh, there's the other screw. Hey, dumbass. Screws on the damn handlebar. Knew I had 2 of them. to use that clutch. She's stiff. That'll work. Except for this lever here doesn't work. Oh, these things are bad, these screws. Make these screws tighten down. Can't have them not being tight. Plenty deep enough. Just the threads aren't very good. Quarter-inch. Just need a 1/4 tap to fix that problem. See, the threads are nice and deep into there. Yep, put the light on. See, pretty deep in there. Just they don't work. Full of corrosion and who knows what. Go over and grab a 1/4. That looks like a good one right there to use. That folder. Where's my fluid at? Yeah, fluid's trying to fall over.